Hello mates! So today's video is about why do we smile? It's a topic that I've been wanting to tell to you. Why do we smile? Do we smile because we're motivated? Or do we smile because we're inspired? I smile because I'm motivated, and I could say I smile because I'm inspired. But usually I smile because I really love to smile. I really like my smile to be spread out. I like my smile to be given to others. I like my smile to have some meaning to others. I don't smile because I'm crazy. I smile because I want to. I smile because people want to see a smiling person. It means that you want to make others to be happy with just one smile. When wearing a smile, you don't have to be happy. You just wear the smile that you want. And if you smile or I smile, I make a front person to smile. I make a sad person to smile. Or I could make one of my important person to smile. If, for example, if you have someone in mind that you would like to smile, and she keeps on rejecting, or he keeps on rejecting your smile, don't worry about it. The smile that you've given to them, to her or to him, would bounce off to the next person or to the other person. They won't sympathize you, but they're gonna smile you back. You don't have to worry, because your smile is your weapon. You don't have to be violent. You just need your smile as your weapon to fight off sadness or the pain that others or you or I have, to gain confidence and to not let others to worry about it. So just keep wearing that smile, and yep, everything's gonna be okay. Just do what you want to do, because at the end of a storm there's a golden sky. Yeah, I just read it in here up top. So yeah, I think this is where I end my vlog. So why do you smile? Can you comment down below? And please like, share, and subscribe. So see you in the next video. Kadus.